The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a group, add users, and assign permissions in Cast & Cruise Studio. Cast & Cruise Studio allows you to easily control access to projects, folders, and files by assigning user access permissions to individual users. But what if you want to assign identical permissions to multiple users? That's where group management comes in. With this feature, you can control permissions by group instead of by individual user, assign permissions at the project, folder, and file level, and reuse groups with varying permissions at the project, folder, and file level. To learn more about user access permissions, you can watch Working with User Access Permissions. After logging in to Studio, select your organization. Then, select Group Management from the drop-down menu. Now, select Create Group. Enter the name and select the Add tab to populate the group. For each user, click the plus sign. Click the Current tab to confirm that the users were added. Then, click Create. You are now ready to assign permissions to the group. We want to assign the Payroll Accountants group to the Allowances and Reimbursements folder and set the permissions. Select the project name. These are all the folders in the project. Click the vertical ellipsis next to Allowances and Reimbursements and select Permissions. Select the Add tab, then click the plus sign next to Payroll Accountants to assign the permissions. After choosing the permissions you want this group to have, click the Save button. Click the Current tab to confirm that the Payroll Accountants group is in the list of users who can access this folder. If you decide to add more users to the Payroll Accountants group, they receive the same permissions. Cast & Cruise Studio makes it easy to assign user access permissions to groups of users. With group management, you can control permissions by group instead of by individual user, assign permissions at the project, folder, and file level, and reuse groups with varying permissions. Thanks for watching.